Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today let us see the Euclids Division lemma and its application. We all have learned in our previous classes what a division algorithm is. A division algorithm is nothing but dividend equal to divisor into the quotient plus the remainder. Now here let me take for any two real numbers 17 and 3. Now when I divide 17 and 3, I get a quotient 5 and a remainder 2. Now this quotient and remainder is unique for each division. Now if I am going to generalize this for any given real numbers, let me take A as my dividend, B as my divisor, then I get a quotient Q and a remainder R with a condition 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Now here why this condition? Here my remainder should either be 0 or it should be lesser than my divisor. Now this leads to a very important lemma called as Euclids Division lemma. Now what does the Euclids Division lemma states? Let A and B be two positive integers, then there exists unique integers Q and R such that A equals to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Now let us find the HCF of 455 and 42 using Euclids Division lemma. Now here 455 is the larger number, so 455 becomes my dividend and 42 becomes my divisor. Now let us see how many times 42 goes in 455. It goes 10 times with a remainder 35. Now my 42 becomes my next dividend and 35 my divisor. Now this process will continue till we get the remainder 0. Now here 35 goes here how many times? 1 time. So 35 goes here 1 time with the remainder 7. Now 35 becomes my dividend with 7 as my divisor. Now again 7 goes here 5 times with the remainder 0. Therefore, my HCF of 455 and 42 is nothing but 7. Now let us find the HCF of three numbers using Euclid's division lemma. Now here again I am going to take any two numbers, that is first two numbers I am going to take. Among these 504 is my larger number, so 504 becomes my dividend. Now 364 becomes my divisor. Now 364 goes 1 time with the remainder 140. Now 364 becomes my next dividend and 140 my divisor. Now this process will continue till I get the remainder 0. Now 140 goes here 2 times with the remainder 84. Now again 140 becomes my dividend with 84 as my divisor. Now 84 goes here 1 time with the remainder 56. Now 84 is my next dividend and 56 my next divisor. Now 56 goes here 1 time with the remainder 28. Now once again I am going to proceed. Now 56 becomes my dividend and 28 my divisor. Now 28 goes here 2 times with the remainder 0. Therefore I get the HCF of 364 and 504 as 28. Now with this 28 I am going to take my next last number, that is my 980. Now let me find the HCF of 28 and 980. Now we all know that 28 goes 35 times in 980 with the remainder 0. Therefore, the HCF of 364, 504 and 980 is 28. So friends, is this video useful? Then subscribe, like and share. Thank you.